Hi guys, welcome back to Shan's Kitchen. It's been such a long time. I'm here again and I'm making a healthy alternative to rice. So today we are going to have a high protein dinner. I'm making bulgur wheat with quinoa, sorry, and I'm gonna mix that with some mixed beans. I've got a half leg of lamb in the oven. So tonight's dinner is high protein. I'm just trying to do a low carb alternative to rice. So here I have my ingredients: just some mixed peppers, one piece of scallion, one onion. If you've watched any of my videos, you know I love pepper. I've got a small amount of thyme, ginger and garlic, which has been grated. So I'm waiting for the pot to become hot, then we're going to stir fry that up. So look at this beautiful mixture of, I just added a small amount of olive oil, not too much grease, and I'm just going to leave this for 2 minutes. It's on low to medium heat, yeah, because you don't want the garlic burn up. So now you rinse your beans and add them and spice it up with whatever you want to spice it up with. I'm just going to use some adobo seasoning, veggie stock, and a little bit of all-purpose. So I've washed 1.5 cups of the bulgur and quinoa mix, and I'm just going to add it now. And you give that a good stir. After everything is well combined, now I'm going to add the vegetable stock. So I'm going to add a total of 2.5 cups of liquid, 1 cup veggie stock, and 1.5 cup of boiling water. And then I'll show you what it looks like. So that's what it's looking like. It's just like rice. You don't need to use too much water. You cook it like you'd cook rice, so you gauge the same amount of liquid to add. And at this point you can taste it and see if you want to add salt or more seasoning, whatever you want to do. I don't cook with salt. I've tasted it, the veggie stock and the little all-purpose already got salt, and that's enough flavor for me. But hey, to each his own. You can add more if you wish. But now I'm just going to put the lid on, and I'm just going to leave that on medium heat until it starts boiling up a little. Then I'm going to turn it down on very low flame and leave it to simmer and steam for 15 minutes. So this is my half leg of lamb. It's been sitting in the oven for 1.5 hours. It's not ready yet. I'm just going to turn it over and put it back for another 1.5 hours. All done.